Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out, right? If you ain't checked out the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast, you know what I mean? You can get that on all your major podcast outlets, okay? So don't front, go do that. But anyway, what we got right now, we have an unboxing of some straps that came from StrapsCo.com. Shout out to StrapsCo.com. Give me the opportunity to check out some straps. So let's get into it right quick. Pete Ross wristwatch love. All right, people, here we go. Right here, right now. We're about to get into it, so let's go ahead and cut this package open right quick. You know what I mean? See what we got in here. You wondering what I'm rocking right now? I'm rocking the vintage Caravelle made by Belova. Review coming on this baby pretty soon. I got the supple soft leather yellow watch strap from Dakota Watch Company. So let's get into it right quick. And here go the straps. Okay. Let's check it out. Bang. 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 And bang. We're going to go over these one by one. All right. And this one here, I believe, is the classic suede leather strap. Includes a quick release spring bars, short length, 180 millimeters, standard lift, 220 millimeters, I'm sorry. Buckle brush silver, thickness 3.25 millimeters, suede with leather backing. So let's go ahead and take this out of the packet. I don't even think I need a knife for this. I think I can just, bang, there it is. So let's take these out. See what's up with it. All right. Bang. Okay. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. There it is. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah. I believe this is 18, size 18 strap. So I'm really gonna enjoy this one. I love the suede on here. So let's get into the next one. All right, and this next one is the faded vintage leather Nato strap. And as you know, I love Natos for sure. So let's take this out of the package and let's see what the deal is. Yeah, that is really, really nice. Really liking that one. To the size 20. Oh, I can't wait to put this on something right here. Oops, there go the, comes with pins too, so get into that. With the polished steel and this genuine leather. Yeah, this one ain't flimsy at all. This one feels like it's gonna feel great. So let's get into the next one. Now here we go. You can never miss with the classic Bond Nato. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and take this out of the package and see how it feels. Looking at it, the steel looks great. And it comes with spring bars too. So we ain't missing out on that. Ooh, yeah. This is a size 18, I believe. You know what I mean? So I already know what I'm gonna put this on. So we gonna get into it big time with this one. I love the Bond Nato because it's just so classic. You know what I mean? It's just so classic. So let's get into the next strap. So here's the classic stainless mesh strap. I really didn't get into the mesh that much until I had got one for my Orient Bambino. And it set it off for real. It set it off. So I figured we'd try another mesh strap. You know what I mean? It looks like it's quality. So we're gonna get into it. Let's move on to the next strap. And this is the last one that they sent me. This is the rubber Procreated rally strap with curved ends. Let's go ahead and take this joint out. And ooh, I believe this is a size 20. So I know exactly what watch I want to put this on, for sure. You know, this thing is dope right here, you know. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the StrapsCo watch straps. And from what I can see so far, I'm really liking what I can see. You know what I'm saying? I'm really liking what I'm seeing. And we're gonna see throughout the week, because I'm gonna put them on different watches, make several Instagram posts. So if y'all ain't subscribed to me on Instagram, or follow me on Instagram rather, go ahead and do that. And subscribe to me on YouTube right here, you know what I mean? Because I'll be dropping a video at the end of the week about each one of these straps and what watch I put it on, and it's gonna get real interesting. All right, I'll put a link down in the bottom to these 5 straps if you would like to purchase these straps. Put the link down there in the description so y'all can check it out for yourself. So for the most part, I think I picked a batch of great straps, great looking straps at that. You know what I mean? But I wanted to demonstrate something right quick. Some of the packaging has barcodes on the back. You know what I mean? And it's a guide to where if you don't know how to use it, you know what I mean? See that? And you go open it up in Safari. And it shows you how to install a watch strap, which is very interesting. You know what I mean? Let me go ahead and let me do that one more time for y'all. All right. Bow, QR code, bang. There it is. You know what I mean? Let's see. It's another one. Oh, the Nato. Let's see what happens. Which this is very cool. Open StrapsCo.com. Installation, how to install. And it gives you how to install everything, every type of strap. Even for Apple Watch, smartwatch, whatever. You know, how to remove links from watches, which is very cool. If you don't know already how to do it. So, it's your boy P. Ross. Let's get into it. Ross Wristwatch Love. Shout out to StrapsCo for allowing me to review their straps. And I'll put links down in the description for all of these. All right? And we out. Peace.